Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today's gonna be sick because we're going to put Shorty Max together and it's gonna be sick. But we're gonna hop in the third gen. We gotta head over there to Blake's barn. We gotta get the little trailer with the cab, take it to his brother's little lift. Then we gotta get his brother's trailer, go back to Blake's barn. Then we gotta get Blake's truck loaded on his brother's trailer and then put that thing on there and take it back to his barn. And then put the cab on the lift, paint the bottom of the cab, put the frame underneath the cab, put the cab on, then bring the whole thing back over here with Donnie's trailer, put the bed on it, and then we're gonna take it back and we're gonna go to Blake's and then we're gonna be done. So make sure you watch the whole thing. Oh, make sure you freaking guys go down, you hit the freaking subscribe button, and you like the videos, because and we have golden retrievers. We have goldens. You have to subscribe. Relax. She looks terrified. What are you doing? Alright, I'm going to show you guys these custom freaking third gen tuners they got. Premium quality here. So you got your 5 little tabs in there, and then you got your main tab that tells what tune it is. So you just take your average freaking little screwdriver and you just go boop and you hold it together, and then there's a little light in the back. Once you blinks 5 times, dude, you're ready to rip. Fast. Because the freaking button broke and we don't put money into this thing. Just got to Blake's house. I'm gonna back up to the barn or in the barn and try to get his cab out of there, but it's a little muddy, so I might get into some stuff. Time to do some axle joints. Freaking put Moog in there and it's junk. Nobody ever buy Moog ever again. And if Moog, if you're watching, you're junk. Alright, so we're all loaded up. Total freaking show. But we got it on there. It's just really crappy that rain decided to fall a little early this year. If it was frozen, we'd be fine, but. And we also didn't gravel over there by that door because that whole barn's gonna be getting redone. And all the doors are gonna end up on the front side of the barn. So we don't want to continue the driveway all the way to the side, because within a year here, there's not even gonna be a door right there anymore. So that's why things are the way they are. Still in 4-wheel drive. Freaking U-joints are gonna explode. We just made it to Blake's brother's shop, unloading this trailer. And we gotta move some cars around, and we're gonna grab that trailer. So that's what we're doing right now. Usually. Jeez, back up a little bit, dude.
Don't tell me what to do.
Alright, back at Blake's. got the trailer here. Now we're gonna attempt to get the truck out of the same situation. So, come on, guys, let's go. Make sure you subscribe. Can't fit 35s. We'll see about that. All right. You good? If anybody wants a minty, emphasis on minty. What year is this thing?
04.
04. Duramax with no motor in it. Pretty good. Put in the comments down below. This thing is premium. It's got door handles. Actually, it didn't work. Holy crap, I wasn't expecting all that. No way the back one works.
Oh, God.
Oh. All right, got one door.
Wait.
Oh, missed some parts in there, ignore that. Oh,
works.
All right, price just went up, guys. Premium. Anybody that wants to buy that Duramax sticker too, hit us up. We'll scrape it off, send it to you for $300 or something. Use cover shipping. This dude. These fender flares, they're good, dude. Put these on your truck. The rest are gone. Big reveal right there. That's hilarious. All right. Freaking got her on there. It actually wasn't bad at all. It was easier than getting the trailer out of the freaking barn. Getting our straps all situated. Getting the motor covered up good. And we're gonna freaking head over and start getting this thing put together. Pretty sick. So don't freaking click off yet. Freaking ready to rip. Look at that. Tailpipe's gonna stay like that too. Man. Off-road is life. We got Shorty Max. Freaking motor, frame, all that good stuff. Got the cab over here on this tarp. So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna get this trailer in here on the lift. Well, not the trailer on the lift, but we're gonna get this trailer next to the lift. Lift the cab up with the lift, and then pull the trailer out. And then we're gonna unload this and roll it in underneath, and then we're gonna drop the cab out on top of it. So, mint. Me and Matthew just got truck and trailer off my truck. Blake's truck's right there. All right, me and Matthew just got the trailer, or the truck unloaded off the trailer. And then we unhooked the trailer because I got way ahead of myself and wasn't even thinking that we still needed to bring this thing back. So we're gonna have to hook the trailer back up in a minute here, but Blake is inside. He's working on painting the underside of the cab. And then as soon as he's done with that, we're gonna roll his bad boy in there, put the cab on it.
Long time no see.
It's really quick before we lose all daylight. It's already kind of dark, but we got a chance. We're waiting for Blake to paint the cab. Show you guys a few things. Down here, got them fancy smanchy QA1 shock mounts. And Blake is going to try to run a stock exhaust because he's going for like total sleeper mode. We don't really know if that's going to work yet, but we're going to try it. He also got this fancy little deal here for his brake lines proportioning valve that will allow him to adjust how much braking power he has to the back tire. So if he wants to be a burnout machine, you can close that freaking valve. You have no brake power to the back, so you'll be able to do a burnout really easy and not destroy your brakes. So it's kind of a cool piece there. But these brake lines he's got, pretty freaking fancy looking. Nothing's hung up yet either, so I don't think we're just gonna leave it laying like that because definitely not. Yay. Comes with, we installed these really nice Starburst minis. In case you're under the truck working on things, you get hungry. So. I was having motor mount first. We already knew that a long time ago, bro. Okay, where the hell you been?
Happy about it.
Yeah, where you been? Alright, so we finally got cab on there. Bolted down. Everything seems to line up decently well. We had to do a little bit of massaging around the firewall, which is pretty much expected, but we got it in there. It's pretty tight, but it is in there, so. Everything's looking pretty good so far. Now we gotta get her back on the trailer, and then we gotta take it to my house and put the bed on it. But it's going good so far, so. Mint. Oh, look at that, baby. Extra G.
Oh, geez, he's got play. He just had bell flash. Listen to that.
Oh, totaled.
Getting blown out. I was gonna say, hope it's got
Alright, we got her all thrown together. Bed's bolted down. We got the roll pan on there, tailgate's on, and it looks freaking sick already. I don't care what anybody else says, I think it's already mint. Freaking nice set of wheels and toys on this thing. Don't even need a wrap. Freaking gonna be sleeper AF for a little while for sure. Dude, literally. People are gonna see you and be like, ha! Look at this crackhead, and then you're going like 100. Oh boy, look at that. Wheels are the best part. I think these are American Forest trailer parks. Well, now we're headed back to Blake's barn, and we're gonna take this thing off and get that thing shoved back in there. Man. I'm gonna get my first gen back here. I'm gonna get Kyle's fourth gen here and get the garage form back up. Oh my God, look at these babies. That one looks super terrible right now. We gotta get that grill back on, unreal. But now, off to Blake's barn. freaking finally got her backed in here. We stopped recording partway through because it got a bit hairy with the slick situations. And we needed all hands on deck, but try to keep this thing out of the mud, so I had to sacrifice the third gen. And she was putting in some work pretty hard. I'm sure the tranny temp's like all the way up, but we're gonna try to get this thing rolled off here and get it back in its home. Oh man, I don't know. Look at this, guys. Look at that. Unreal. That's like premium trailer backing skills right there. Premium luck. Okay, truck is off the trailer now. Finally. Took us a little while to figure it out because out here is just a freaking sloppy mess. Let me see if I can get the light. Yeah, so that's what we're working with out there. So it was kind of difficult getting this trailer in here. But it is back in here. There's no mud on it, so we did good. Ugh. We got her back in there though. No mud on it besides the tires from rolling. So I'd say that's a pretty freaking good day right there. It's been a long day. It was a lot of work. From no frame, or from just a frame with a motor in it, now has a full body on it just about. We just gotta do the front clip, but we're gonna wait for the front clip until all the engine work and all that stuff's done. All the pipes are ran, wirings are ran, lines are ran, just so we're not crawling over the fenders and stuff. But a lot of freaking work. I like it. I think it looks like good like this. Got the sleeper look going. Comment below if you think we should leave it like this. But that's that. Really cool. Alright, so I'm gonna end the video off right there. Freaking pretty good day. We got the cab, bed, and everything on Blake's truck, which is a huge step that opens up. Basically, we finished the truck now. All the wiring can get done, all the fuel lines, all the brake lines, battery cables, everything get ran because all that's gonna be in the bed. But that concludes that. Next couple days for this truck here, Kyle's rigging. We're gonna do push rods, valve springs, and head studs. I gotta pull the tranny out of it. We're gonna put a built-in push shaft in that. Also, we gotta get the grill, bumper, and rear bumper off to put the color match stuff on. So it's gonna be some pretty sick stuff going on with this between looks and freaking power-wise. That's gonna be meant to do. But any hoodly doos. Freaking that is it for this video. Make sure you freaking guys go down and subscribe because our videos are sick. And yeah, see you next time.